If you don't learn how to make these layered Uzbek baked buns, you will really regret it. Whether it's for entertaining guests or giving as a gift, it is exceptionally suitable. The taste is amazing. First of all, we add 3 grams of salt to 300 grams of flour. Then take out about 5 grams of yeast. Then crack in 1 egg. Pour in 160 grams of warm water. Add 15 grams of cooking oil. Stir until it forms dough flakes. Knead by hand into a smooth dough. Cover with plastic wrap. Let it proof until doubled in size. While waiting, let's dice some beef, some tomatoes, onions, green and red chili pepper. I made colorful baked buns today at my family's request. Add a pinch of salt and also black pepper powder. Mix thoroughly. If you want to make baked buns, that would be delicious. You must try it at home. Let's make the dough next. Make all sizes the same. During this period, we will melt the butter and prepare it. Now we roll out the dough thinly. Make it as thin as naan. In order to find it when doing it, grease the bottom with butter, then cover it with dough. In this case, we kneaded all the dough well. Now we will cut the dough into equal-sized pieces and prepare them. Then press it thinly on top. Put the filling in the middle. Just make it into beautiful buns. If you want to make baked buns using this method, crispy and delicious. Now we don't use egg whites. Instead, thoroughly mix the 2 egg yolks. Then apply a layer on top. Get ready. Then, you can if you like. You can separate the white sesame seeds from the black sesame seeds. Now you can, according to your own situation, bake at 230 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. If you don't try this similar baked bun, I will regret it very much. Looks very fragrant to you, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. You should try it too.